this the tractor I check the hydraulic fluid when it's warm or when it's cold? I can't. Where's the book? Oh, should be an easier place for the book. Hydraulic. In the front or the back? Contents? Safety. I don't know. Service? Fuels? Lubricants? What about the back? Hydraulics? Service? Why is this so hard?
You're right. It doesn't have to be this hard. You can get the Equipment mobile app, and if you have your op center up to date with your equipment and you log in with that same username, you could just click on this model of tractor, go to the operator's manual, and just type in check hydraulic fluid, and it'll tell you how to do it. It's even got an AI bot in there. You can ask that thing a question, and it'll tell you what to do.
I don't know. I'm not really into apps.
You have the Happy Joe's Pizza app on your phone, and you live 80 miles from the closest Happy Joe's.
All right. I'll download the Equipment mobile app.